everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is super exciting. I have an unboxing on this purse that I've wanted for a really long time. So if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm hoping that I get this video up like the day that I'm filming because technically it's my uploading day. I have nothing edited at all. I don't have any pre-filmed videos, anything like that, except for my vlogs and stuff, but those take a little bit longer to edit. I've just had a really busy month and this was my treat to myself. So this is what it looks like. I was going to do like an Instagram unboxing, like Instagram style, you know, where I put this on the floor. I think my neighbors are like building something outside, so I might be super loud in this video. Hopefully it's not. But yeah, I was gonna do like an Instagram style unboxing of this like on the floor with me like opening it, but I want you guys to get my reaction as well as see how everything is packaged. So this is my very first order from 24s.com. I've never actually heard of this website before. I actually saw this bag probably about a month and a bit ago. It was on My Teresa. They send me update emails once in a while on like new items and stuff like that. So I saw this bag, I saw the color combination, and I was like in love. I've always wanted something in this color combination. So when I saw this bag, I was like, I need to get it. I don't know how much it's going to be. So I went on My Teresa, and apparently like the Canadian dollar versus euros is really low right now, like the exchange rate. So I think on My Teresa this was like 1,200, and I was like, that's kind of more than I want to spend. So I decided to look on Sense. Sense is a Canadian website and it sells the same stuff. It sells Gucci, Givenchy, etc. So I went on there. They didn't have this color combination and their bags were still like around the $1,100 price range, and I'm like, I don't know. I just kind of was like, you know what, I'll think about it and I'll see if it pops up on Sense. If not, you know, I'll wait a few months and maybe get it on My Teresa. However, one day I was on the YouTube app. You guys know how Google kind of is creepy and it kind of gives you ads based on what you've searched on Google and stuff like that, or like what you've talked about. If you look at like Facebook ads, they are definitely catered to what you've been saying you've needed in your life. So on YouTube specifically, I was browsing one day and I saw this pop up, and I never heard of this website before. So I'm gonna give you guys kind of a review on how my order went from purchasing from this website first. Then I'll do the unboxing. I will actually do a review on this bag in another video, I think in about a month, so I can give you guys kind of like my opinion on it versus doing like a what's in my bag and unboxing at the same time, which is what I normally do, but I just kind of want to tell you guys about the website. So yeah, I saw this pop up on YouTube and I'd never heard of this website before. I'm like, is that even legit? So I clicked on it and then I googled 24s, etc. So what I found out is 24s is actually owned by LVMH. LVMH owns Louis Vuitton, Gucci, even Sephora. I never knew that LVMH had a website, and then I was like, wait, is this in like US dollars? But no, it was actually, to my surprise, in Canadian dollars. This bag was cheaper than if I was to get it on My Teresa. It was like almost $250 cheaper. It was cheaper than getting it on Sense. And then I was like, okay, how is their shipping gonna be? Is it gonna be free? Am I gonna get charged duties? All of that stuff? No. So the shipping was free. I didn't get charged any duties. The price was in Canadian dollars and they charged me taxes from my home province. So if you guys live in Canada or you live in the States, I'm pretty sure like all states have different taxes. So in Alberta, we have like probably the lowest tax in sales tax in like the whole country. So BC has a higher sales tax, Saskatchewan has a higher sales tax, etc. But this charged me like exactly my province, my sales tax, free shipping. It went from Paris to my house in literally like 3 or 4 days. Like, it was super quick. I just had a really awesome experience on this website, and I highly recommend you guys check it out. They have more than just Gucci. They have Louis Vuitton, they have Celine, they have YSL. They have so many designers, and the prices are so good. Okay, so there's multiple ways that you can get your item packaged. You can get it just in their like eco packaging. You can get it in their luxe packaging. It's free, it doesn't matter which you pick. I picked the luxe packaging because I wanted it to look nice for me unboxing it. So it came with some paperwork here, like this little envelope thing. And this thing like pops up. It's like a pop-up thank you card, which is really cute. It has the Eiffel Tower on it. I think this is so adorable. So yeah, that's what came in this little folder thing. And this is how the box looks like. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I've had this for about a week and a half almost, and I haven't unboxed it because I wanted to film this video, and I've just been like really wanting to unbox this, but I've been working like every single day, and that's part of the reason why I bought this, because I wanted to treat myself, because I've just been so miserable at work lately. I've just been working all summer, and I just don't want to be working all summer. I want to enjoy the hot weather, because if you guys know Alberta, hot weather doesn't last very long here. So I decided that I would treat myself for working like 24/7. So anyways, this is what the box looks like. This is the luxe packaging. Like I said, it was free. You don't have to pay extra for it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Hopefully you guys can see this properly. I still don't have a viewfinder in my camera, so I'm hoping that this is gonna go well. So this is a magnetic box, which is really nice. And this is how it comes. So you get a little card at the top here with your invoice. This is exactly how it comes. It looks like a Christmas present, a birthday present. It's so nice. Okay. Let's see. Keeping that.
Okay guys, this is the bag.
Oh, I ripped it. I always try to like save my packaging or something for no good reason. I don't know why I do that, but anyways, this is the bag. So the only Gucci bag that I have at the moment I got consigned, and it did not come in a box. So this is my very first brand new Gucci bag. Ooh, it smells like leather. Okay, you guys, right there. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So if you guys want to know what this bag is called, it is the Marmont Super Mini in Blue Nuit. So that's a little tag. I just love how leather smells. So it has a little Gucci dust bag in there as well. I always keep my packaging. Right, you guys, the moment of truth. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna wear this today. It's so cute. It is a baby blue with silver hardware. Super mini Marmont. So that's what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Is it supposed to look like that? I don't know. We have a little like tarnishing on the inner part of the G's. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. Most Gucci hardware though is like that vintage gold. So I've never seen anyone have the shiny silver hardware in this bag. Okay. So it is stuffed. It has Gucci tag number 1 and Gucci tag number 2. I'm gonna keep that in the box. What else is in here? Another Gucci tag. All right, so the inside of this bag is a nice peachy color, and it's like that microfiber lining. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, that's what the bag looks like. And then it comes with a super long chain. Everything is wrapped up super well, I will say that. Okay, I'm gonna open her up. It is so hot in my room, you guys. Like, so hot. I need to go out and get like a fan or something. I don't even have a fan. Like, it's been consistently hot, and I feel like it's not as hot for some people. Like in the US and stuff like that, it gets like 34 degrees or higher, but 26 is like too much for me. Okay. So yeah, this is the really long strap that it comes with. So this is what the bag looks like. I will do like a mod shot with it. I actually wore the shirt to kind of match. So I'm gonna do a mod shot and show you guys how it looks on, and you know, like the length and all that stuff. So this is the bag. I'm so happy with it. The back has that little heart. Let's just do like a 360. So that's the front. It's this really pretty silver, like shiny silver hardware. This is from their summer 2020 collection. And that is kind of like the 360. So that is a little heart logo on the back. I think it's so cute, and I like it on the smaller Gucci bags, not so much on the bigger Gucci bags, is what a lot of people say as well. A lot of people say that they like the heart better on the smaller bags. I just think it's so cute. And then the bottom, it's really nice squishy leather. So that is the bag. So I'm so happy with it, and you can do so many different things with this bag. You can shorten the chain, you can wear it different ways. You can wear it like a, what's it called, just like a short handle bag. You can wear this crossbody, you can wear this long wise, which I like doing as well. I definitely prefer crossbody though. And then you can also wear this kind of like a fanny pack. If you connect the chain, you kind of have to wrap it around a little bit, and then there's like a little thing on the inside, this little thing, and it connects. You can wear this bag so many different ways. It's so versatile, and yeah, I'm just so happy that I finally got it. I've wanted this bag for a really long time, but I was always undecided on the color choices because in their permanent line they only have like black, beige, red, and that's it, and white, and they all have that same kind of vintage gold hardware, but I wanted something different, and I finally got different, and I just like this so much. I love the color combination. I love the baby blue. I just don't know what is up with the what's it called. I will include kind of like a close-up, but I don't know why there's like a little bit of tarnish on the Gucci, like on the inner part, not on the outside but on the inner part. But other than that, it's perfect. Smells so nice and brand new, like brand new leather. And yeah, I'm so excited for this bag. I actually was a little bit worried that it was going to be smaller than I was expecting it would, but I think I can fit my essentials in here no problem. It's not going to be like my Dionysus one. The Dionysus one, it's not like this. This one has kind of like that squishy leather, and I feel like you could fit a little bit more things in here versus the Dionysus mini. But if you guys want a review on both, comparing both, or just, you know, like a what's in my bag with this bag, I will definitely do that in like a month from now probably. I just want to get a feel of how this wears and all of that stuff before I do a full review and what's in my bag and stuff. So that is my new baby, and I had a really great experience with 24s.com. so if you guys want to check them out, I highly recommend it. Also, one more thing, if you guys collect, like if you guys have Rakuten, I think that's how you say it, Rakuten. It used to be called Ebates, but now it's called Rakuten. You can actually get cash back. So you can get like 3.5% cash back on 24s. They are definitely a verified company, obviously. So yeah, that is pretty much all for my review slash first impression on my purchase from 24s and my unboxing of my Gucci bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone. Action?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how it lands, just like all the way down. I'm 5'5", by the way. And then if I do crossbody, it looks
very nice.
You have the full. So that's
Yes.
crossbody. Long waist. Put this on the floor and stuff like that because this is my first order from 24S. Really? What is you doing?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.